Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be learning about how to make checkboxes. Yep, checkboxes. Alright, so let's get started. So, the first thing you want to do is make a form tag like we learned about in one of my videos. And we could set the action to test.html. We might not have it, but it's still going to take us to a page that's not found. Perfect. Okay, now all we have to do is write input type is equal to checkbox, and then we can make the name nothing because we don't need one right now. And now if we minimize this page, grab this and put it in our URL thing, we have a checkbox. Now if you want text beside your checkbox, then as you guys could see, the value nothing is there. It's not doing anything we want. So we go outside of this whole tag. We go outside of it and we just write whatever you want. I am not a robot. Alright, and now we could just end it off by saying input, because that's what we started with, input right there. Now for refresh, I am not a robot. And now if we check it, ta-da, it's checked. Perfect. So now we could rewrite input, and this time we can make it a button by writing submit, and we can make the value to go. And as you guys could see, you could just go without checking the checkbox. If you want that to not be a thing, you could either say checked like that. So now if we refresh, it's always going to be checked even if it's refreshed. Or you could say something that's required. And now if you do this, you refresh, it's not going to be checked no matter how many times you refresh it. And now if we press go, please check this box if you want to proceed. If you check the box on the other hand and you press go, your file couldn't be accessed because we didn't make it yet. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you liked it, please leave a like and subscribe and turn on notifications, and I'll see you guys all next time. Bye bye.